You're on. There goes Dave. Dr. Dave, we call him. Oh, look, now we're not rolling. Now we're not rolling. He's going out and throwing up. He's seasick. We'll catch something here. This is a heck of a shot. I'm going to zoom in just so we can see. Whoa, that zooms pretty quickly. Isn't this fun? Yes, sirree. I just want to tell you how much we're enjoying this. Boy, these new cameras are cool. Far cry from what I've been used to. One would never think that this is the largest supertanker in the United States and we're moving around like this. And one would never think that, hey, that's my navigator out there. Try to strike a pose. Doing well, I think. Oh, and what you see right there, that's our satellite TV. We do love that. Well, this is a very nice camera. I'm sure it's quite expensive. Whoa. Oh, here we go. All right. Yeah, going for it. Why not? Okay, come on in. I gotta go to the safety meeting. And it's a long walk uphill. All right, you're still